Automakers show off new lines of green cars with an added emphasis on beauty and style as this year's Los Angeles Auto Show. Added details from Conway Giddens.
Competition is fierce in the auto industry, and at the 2012 Los Angeles Auto Show, automakers are fine-tuning their products on all fronts, from technology to efficiency to horsepower. But the overall theme continues to be innovation of the green kind. Organizers say there are 24 all-electric or plug-in models on display. Fiat, building on its small car success, now has the 500e model, an all-electric version of its popular minicar. The Italian parent of Chrysler is hoping to add some glamour to the growing electric car market, says Chief Marketing Officer Francois.
Fun, I would even say sexiness. Why would an electric car be just an electric appliance that brings you from point A to point B? You can enjoy, you can have fun, and it can look good.
Fun. Maybe that's what General Motors had in mind with the Chevy Spark. This all-electric car reflects a natural progression in the move to a more eco-friendly lineup, says GM's Pamela Fletcher.
For us, a progression to add the Spark EV to our fleet is natural, to expand on providing a host of solutions for people that truly want to be able to, reduce their gasoline consumption, be emissions free. So I see that adoption rate, being enabled by the Volt, will continue to be enabled by cars like the Spark EV and grow over time.
Green or not, it looks like the auto industry is poised to re-accelerate. Analysts and executives expect auto sales to rebound in November, potentially hitting their strongest pace in more than 4 years as people in the Northeast return to dealerships after Superstorm Sandy hurt demand in late October. November sales should also get a boost from pent-up demand by drivers replacing their aging cars and trucks.